In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pull a stock's industry into Google Sheets. To get started, open the Google Sheets file that you will be working in. This is the spreadsheet where you will pull in the industry information for a stock. So make sure you are on the correct sheet tab and you can see the cells where you want the result to appear. It also helps to give yourself a little room, since industry data is usually text, and you may want to widen the column so it stays readable. Once you are in the sheet, click into the cell where you want to enter the function or command that triggers the industry lookup. Then type the word highlight. As you type, pay close attention to what appears in the sheet, because Google Sheets may show a suggestion, a menu, or an add-on prompt depending on how this spreadsheet is set up. The key is to enter the term exactly, since this step is what initiates the process that connects your sheet to the data pull. After you type highlight, you may see a permission prompt. When that happens, click Allow Access. This is an important part of the setup. Google Sheets sometimes needs your approval before a sheet, extension, or connected service can retrieve or process data on your behalf. Allowing access ensures the tool can run properly and return the industry information into your spreadsheet. When you click Allow Access, take a moment to complete any permission window that appears. Depending on your browser and account settings, you might need to confirm the Google account you are using, then approve the requested permissions. Make sure you finish the approval process all the way through, so the permission change actually saves. If the prompt disappears too quickly or nothing seems to happen, click back into your sheet and verify that access was granted, then try entering highlight again in the same cell. From here, your sheet is ready to proceed with pulling industry data as intended. A quick tip is to keep your spreadsheet organized by labeling the column clearly, for example with a header like industry, so you can easily scan results later. And that is all there is to it.